All right, in this video, let's talk about someone clicked your link. Now, what actually happens, right? Maybe perhaps you don't know what a funnel is, or maybe perhaps you don't know what a lead capture page or a thank you page. So I'm gonna go and share this with you guys, okay? So let's say, for example, if somebody clicks, okay? So let's say somebody clicks. So what happened is that this right here is a landing page, and a landing page is basically like this, right? So maybe perhaps you actually gone through my 7-part free training series, and what it is basically this is a landing page. Some people call it a lead capture page or a squeeze page. When you notice in this page, there's so much different terminologies, but I'm just gonna keep it simple for you guys. This is a landing page, and you guys can see here, this is simple to you to actually create. And what the whole purpose of a landing page, let's go here. The whole purpose of a landing page is to collect emails, okay? So you guys can see here is that when somebody clicks right over here, okay, it goes in towards a pop-up where they enter their email address. Now, the whole purpose of this, I'm going to show you guys because I don't want to overwhelm you guys, okay? So you guys can see that page that I just shared is a landing page where we collect emails, okay? And by the time when they enter their email, they go towards what's called a thank you page, okay? And a thank you page is basically like this. So right after when your audience actually enters their email, they land what's called a thank you page. And you guys can see over here, the thank you page. And what I do is it's like a video sales letter where I show them and introduce them towards an affiliate offer that I truly believe in. Okay, so what that is basically means is that it actually teaches you how to actually structure a real online business. Okay, so right here I created like super short that directs them on towards clicking on towards this button, and this button is called a call to action. Okay, it's called a call to action button. And if they wanted to go and subscribe towards my YouTube channel, they can go and do that as well. So you guys can see that right here is a thank you page where once somebody clicks, okay, so if somebody clicks, they're gonna go in towards your landing page, and from there they're gonna go straightly towards that thank you page. So what happened is that, okay, so what happened is that this right here is not enough. What we do is we're going to be creating emails together, and the main reason why we're creating these emails is because by the time when these people land towards the thank you page and click, no one's going to buy. Okay, and the main reason why we do these emails is because we want to build a relationship. We want to create value towards our people. You see what I'm saying? And from there, that's an email follow-up sequence when it comes towards this whole stuff. Because I'm trying to teach you guys when it comes towards and putting my beginner's mind again and beginner's hat again. So I just wanted to see how I would teach you guys so you guys can actually understand this. Maybe you never heard of what a landing page is or a thank you page. So what I just shared with you is basically those two process is basically what's called a funnel. Okay, so this right here is called a landing page. Okay, where you're getting people's emails because we want to create what's called a buyer's email list. We want to build your own list of subscribers. Okay, and my 7-part free training series, I talked about this, the importance of this. So maybe perhaps you are unfamiliar of this, because this is why in this training I'm sharing this with you guys. By the time when they enter their emails, we have them as a lead. We have them as an email list. Okay. And what happened is that by the time when they enter their email, they're going to land what's called a thank you page. Okay. And you guys can see here, this is the thank you page. Okay. And I'll show you guys more on like, let's say, for example, if you're afraid of doing videos, you don't have to put your video out there. It's just that by putting yourself out there, you actually help branding yourself out there, and actually helps in terms of conversions. Okay. So you guys can see that by combining these two together, this is what's called a funnel. Okay. So I'm just teaching guys this so you guys can actually understand this, right? And yeah, check out my 7-part free training series. We'll go even deeper when it comes towards this. And the cool part is later on, when I start creating more videos, we're going to be building that custom audience, okay, through meta ads, etc. Okay. And on top of that, I'll see you guys in the next video.